Hey, what's up? It's always me, Johnny, and today we're gonna talk about some tech news. But before that, let's roll the intro. So first, big news. This is mostly a rumor because we have nothing official and confirmed yet, but we have some rumors about the new DJI Mini 3. And the one thing that we know it is that it could come probably in November, and we don't know when in specific, but we have just this month for reference. And after 1 year of releasing the old Mini 2, that you can see it right there, we can probably expect another 250 gram new drone from DJI. But as I said before, DJI just didn't mention anything officially, and so we don't know anything yet. But I think that in November DJI will announce some new piece of gear, and we don't know if it is like the new Mini 3 or maybe some other piece of gear, but there is a small chance that it could be a new drone because there are a lot of 250 grams new drone that they are coming out just right now, and so DJI now has some competition, and so it can probably release a new Mini 3. And we are not sure of it because there are some things that should be added in the Mini 2, but we cannot complain about that drone because it is pretty much a perfect drone for that size. Then talking about the new Windows 11, it is finally out, so it came out just the other day, and so you can find already some videos about Windows 11 on my channel, so you can just check it out down below. And in my opinion, it is a very good system, and it is not like every time that Windows came up with a new operating system, like one is good and one is bad. Windows 10 was a great operating system, and this one should be like the bad one, but actually I've tried it for a long period and I think it is a very good system. And I like also the new restyling, the new design, the new menus. It's more intuitive. I like it a lot. And also you will find some new features, like for example, running Android apps directly from your computer. You cannot run pretty much any Android apps, of course, because as I mentioned in my other video, you can run just the Amazon Store Android apps. So there aren't like too many apps, but you can run like the most used one. And this one, it is a very interesting feature indeed. One thing that you should make sure before upgrading to Windows 11 is of course the minimum requirements for installing the system, but then the compatibility requirements, because mind that you still need like the TPM 2.0 version on your machine, and also your computer should be capable of doing secure boot. If you have those two, you are pretty much okay to go, and you can install Windows 11 for free if you have already Windows 10. Then let's go for a moment in the gaming sphere, and I like gaming like a lot, and here we have some serious issue caused by a video game that it is New World. You probably heard of that because it is played by pretty much everyone right now. So it is the new MMO video game from the Amazon Game Studio. So with this game, a lot of users happen to have like a lot of issue with the game actually, because they have like serious and repeated crashes, especially and only on NVIDIA latest graphic card. So they have these crashes, and also they have some serious problem, like the game can break your GPU. So that means that the GPU is not working anymore. And for the situation that we are right now, if you broke your latest RTX GPU, it is pretty much a very, very bad thing. So someone says that it is the game's fault, but actually Amazon Games says that it is a problem from the manufacturer of the cards, because they haven't optimized and updated the driver of their GPU. And so for now, we don't know who is in the wrong part. So the debate is still open. So if you have a latest RTX graphic card, and maybe you are planning to play New World, or maybe you are just playing New World, just be careful on that. And if you have some problem, just contact your manufacturer of your RTX card. Then Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro, or maybe XL. I still don't know what will be the official name of the Pro version of the Pixel, but we know that in just 10 days they will announce this very interesting phone, because at the 19th of October there will be like the Google event, so they will announce these two phones with the very interesting Tensor chip by Google, and I am very interested into this phone. Also, we have like some reference prices for these two phones. I mean, they are not official, but I think they will be very reasonable for the Pixels. And actually for the standard Pixel 6, there is a price of 650 euros. And for the Pro version or the XL version, we have a price of 900 euros. And I'm talking about, of course, the European market. So you have to do the conversion by yourself. But we can say also that it is not coming to every European country. And I don't know why it's still like that. But if we want this phone, we have to order from like another country. Last quick news that I want to say, and if you probably follow this channel since like few months or few weeks, you probably already know that my daily smartphone, it is a Xiaomi Mi 11, and I am waiting for the MIUI 12.5 enhanced edition, but they still didn't come out yet with that version. But I know that a few days ago they came out with that version for the Mi 11 Ultra, and I don't know why they still didn't update my Mi 11, but we will still wait for that. And as soon as I know something, you know that you will see a video on this channel. So make sure to subscribe right now so you will not miss that video, because it will be very interesting to see if they will change something, or maybe it will be just a quick refresh of the MIUI 12.5. Then for this quick video, that is pretty much it. Hit a like button if you like this video, and if you find it somewhat useful, of course. And if you want, let me know down below in the comments what you want to see in the next video. That being said, I think for this video, it's pretty much it, and I will see you in the next one. So bye for now.